live abroad TV. Big up the yourself here.
Yeah.
I know it says Jamaica independence. Weekend right here in Birmingham, UK. The 63 years celebrating Jamaica independence, you know what I mean? So we outside, you understand, as them gonna say. And the girl them outside, but that's what that. See? But yeah man, I'm Brown Man, otherwise known as DJ Brown Man. ROXXIESS sound. You don't know, you gotta check them out on our social platform.
Yeah.
And also on my YouTube channel as well. It's Baby TV Adventure, you can check it out. See?
Yes.
All the Jamaicans across anywhere they're right now in the world right now, big up on yourself, you don't know, we're celebrating.
Aye.
We're showing off the flags.
Yes.
You understand? We're big and we're proud. And we're loud.
All the
Small
way.
but we're taller, you know what I mean?
Yes.
But if we put it the next way, we're small but we're big. If you understand what I mean.
Yeah.
Jamaican TV, you see?
Love.
Big up yourself. You're truly always proud, man, see? Big up yourself.
Boom. Bless you.